Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I got another package from Born Pretty as a PR package. So this was sent a long time ago. I don't know why my post office refused to call me. I was actually contacted by Born Pretty again that the package is in my post office. I should come pick it up. So I'm going to be doing the unboxing today, and like I usually do, I'll do the unboxing today, then I'm going to be using to create a set later again. So let's see what we have inside this pack. Okay, so let me use the scissors. So I got a lot of positive response from my review of the solid nail tips I did. So the first one I did it without the what do I call it? I did it without using a base coat on my nails. You know, I just did it while I was reviewing the nails, the solid nail tip, the product I got that day, and it actually lasted for about 4 days on my nails without the without the using a base coat on my natural nails before I use that solid nail tip. And this time around I've used the solid nail tip again so I use the solid nail tips gel to fix this nail tips, but I used a base coat underneath before I applied it, and this is I think this is about 7 or 8 days after I fixed this. They're still sturdy, very strong. They're very strong. So I think you should be able to carry this for about 2 weeks or 3 weeks. It depends on how long you want to carry your nails, if you use it and you use it rightly. So this is a new package I got from Born Pretty. This is another package. So I want to bring everything out. Then I'm going to be remove the seal off camera so I don't make this video too long. So I'm going to be doing the swatching. I like swatching. So, I got some thermal nail gel. Okay, so these are the temperature changing nail polish. I think I got 3. Yes, then I can't wait to try them. Okay. So I'm going to take the seal off. I think I have this before. Let me just do everything since they are not much, so you know that I just got them. Okay. So if you are seeing some color in my nails, this is not dirt. It's a green gel polish I did for a client this morning. So I don't mind my nails. I've been very busy. It's Christmas time. I've been very busy working, so I don't have time to work on my nails. This looks like something I have before, but it's a very beautiful blue. Can you say it? This is the BP79. Beautiful, right? Okay, my daughter said it's beautiful. This is BP30. I think I have this also before. No, I don't have this. This is beautiful. Can you see it? Okay, I'm going to be putting it on a nail tip so you can see it. So these are thermal nail gel. This is pink. It's so nice. Pinkish nude, right? Beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. This as well. This is nice. Oh, so beautiful. And the last thermal nail gel. This is like bubblegum pink, right? Yes. Bubblegum pink, yeah. So let's start swatching. So I actually wanted to do it on top, but I'm putting a top coat. This will serve as my polish charts for my clients when they come, because I usually show them the colors where they can pick from. So for Born Pretty, I don't have their palettes, their color palettes. So as they are coming, I usually do it on these things so I can show my clients. So this is what this looks like. This is beautiful. Like, I need to do this on my toes. It's very nice on my toes. I'm very sure I have these. And if I don't, I'm going to check if it's the same one I had before. But if not, I'm still going to swatch it so you guys can see it. Can you see they are well pigmented? Like I said, one of the things I love about Born Pretty gel polish product is the fact that they are well pigmented. Can you see? Just the coat is enough. The coverage, it has full coverage. Lovely colors. Beautiful colors. So we go to the Thermal. This is the TN, I don't know, 53501. So this is the one that I say looks like the bubble gum pink. Can you see how well pigmented this is as well? The consistency is nice, and their gel polish also serve levels. So when you finish polishing it, it has a way of falling into place, like just falls into place by itself, and it levels. This is one of the Thermal gel polish. So we'll do the next one as well. So this is my first time of using I'll be reviewing a Thermal gel polish. I've not used anyone before. I've not bought any, so I'm so excited to have this and to try it and work with it. I'm going to try to use this on the clients, and I'm going to record video of me working with these colors. And if I can't get a client to work with, I'm going to be using my silicone realistic hand. So this is it. The coverage is perfect as well. Lovely colors I got this time around as well. I always get lovely colors anyways. So this is the last one. This is TN04. Just trying to take the excess off. Okay. So this is it. This is just a single coat. So this is what single coats look like. I'm going to be doing their double coats so we can see it and then put them in water to check how their temperature will change. So, and like I usually say, Born Pretty gel polish do not leave that sticky residue that most other gel polish products leave. Can you see the way my hand is gliding on it smoothly? Can you see it? This is without the top coat. I've not added the top coat to this one, so I'm going to be adding the top coat to it now. So these are the regular gel polish. All these are the Thermal gel polish. So these are two coats. I did two coats of this. I did a coat of this each. Can you see how pigmented this is? These are nude colors, so I can understand why they are not well pigmented. So I'm going to be putting this in the water so you can see it. So this is this, this is this. Let me arrange it very well. so you can see it. You see it. These are the ones I've had before. These are the Born Pretty products I've had before. These consist of the ones I bought from AliExpress and the ones they sent to me. So, I said I had something like this before, so I actually have this. So I'm going to be adding this. I'm going to be adding this to this and this as well. So I dipped this in cold water and it didn't turn. So I'm going to do it without a top coat and put it in. I don't know, what does it mean that it's stammer? Okay, I'll research and get back to you guys. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. For those that just subscribe to my channel, thank you very much. I see you all. I really appreciate it. God bless you for your support. And for the returning subscribers that always come back to watch my content, thank you too. God bless you. So I just brought this out of the freezer because after my research I discovered that it changes after 0 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius. So I decided to put it in my freezer. So they turn to this color. So this color is still transitioning. I put it in my freezer because I saw that when the temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius, the color changes. So all the color changed to dark colors, but they are transitioning back to their original color. And I think it's when it gets to about 40 degrees Celsius before it changes permanently to the original color. So when it changes to the permanent color, I'm going to show you guys another video. So I have the colors back to their initial colors. This is, I think the temperature has increased. So the thing with this particular gel polish in Nigeria is that we have actually high temperature, like it's usually very hot in Nigeria. So if you use this in Nigeria, it's going to be like this for most of the time. The color with this be like this most of the time. You won't it won't be actually be changing to a darker shade for a long period of time because we don't actually have extreme cold weather in Nigeria. So that being said, I love these colors the way they are, whether they change colors or not. I just love them the way they are. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time, or talk to you next time in other videos. Bye.